If you want to know how to use Instagram's new blend feature and make your Reels feed more fun and friends, let's see how you can do it using your any iPhone or Android. Start by opening up Instagram, go to your chat icon, then head into any chat or group chat. Then at the top, you will notice the blend button. Go ahead and press that. Next, just send the invite to your friend. And once they accept, you are all set. Now both of you will start seeing a shared Reels feed, and whenever you like or react to a Reel, your friend gets notified, and the same goes for you. And the best part? The feature is private to that chat, so only the people in that conversation can see the shared content. Instead of seeing your usual feed, you will now get a mix of Reels based on both of your interests. Isn't it really amazing? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.